Hey guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, ArtbyJuno. And today I'm launching this channel with a Father's Day special entitled SuperDad. And today we're doing a level 1 oil pastel drawing. And this video has no background music so that you can play and enjoy your own music selection. If you don't mind having my voice around, you will get some good tips throughout the video. And if not, you can just mute the video and play your own music. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, first up, we're going to tape the paper to the table with a masking tape. Now, the width of this masking tape is 1.25 cm. It's just right, so you don't have to trim it further. And we start by using the drawing compass to outline the sun. Now, the position of the sun is slightly higher from the center line. And first color, the lemon yellow. This is a light yellow. We're going to draw around the outline of the sun and just color it. Just make sure you try not to draw over the line. And we're using this light yellow because this is the part where the sun glows. And try to cover as much as possible, not leaving any white spots. Okay, next up we have our chrome yellow. Now follow the curve, the top and the bottom of the lemon yellow. Next, red. So for the red, we're going to color the top part all the way to the top of the paper. And followed by the bottom. Also all the way to the bottom of the paper. Okay, next, let's use a piece of folded tissue paper to start the blending process. Now we are blending the sky together. So same thing, we always start with the lightest color. If you start from the darker color, it's definitely going to smudge and contaminate your lighter color. So we start from the lemon yellow all the way out to the chrome yellow and then to the red color. Now notice the chrome yellow and the red color, when blended together, it gives you this very nice orange color. Okay, the trick to blending is your strength. I'll mention this again and again in other videos as well, but this is a very important tip for beginners. So not too much strength, nor too little strength. And how do you know? When you visually see that your colors are blended nicely, that's when you know. Not too hard and not too soft. And next we have our white color. Now we're just going to highlight the sky. So it gives it a little bit of misty look. And as like, you know, there are some clouds surrounding this background. And if you like my video so far, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, next we outline the subjects. We start drawing it. You can use any pencil, 8B to 10B. If you are not too sure, you can always use a lighter 2H pencil to just lightly outline the characters. Now in this case, I'm pretty confident, so I started off with an 8B. So you just draw, this is like the backs of the father holding the hand of his daughter. And the twist here is he's wearing a cape because this is our Father's Day special. So this is a SuperDad. And after the outline of the characters, we proceed to draw the spiky tips of the grass. and also outline the island that they're standing on. Okay, after that, we're going to use the same 8B to 10B pencil to color the characters. And notice I've also put a piece of clean tissue so that I can rest my hand on the tissue and not smudging the colors that I've already blended nicely. So same thing, there will be little white spots. So try your best to color it and make sure you cover as much as possible. And also, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you. And now the little girl. Well, there are a lot of details to be drawn on these silhouette drawings. So it's okay if, it's not that defined at this stage, because later on we can use another method to try and define the outline of the characters. Okay, once you're done with the characters, we're going to use the pencil to join the grass tips to the island itself so that it doesn't look separated. And after that, we're going to use the black pastel to color the body of the island. And as always, try to apply generously so that you try and cover as much of the white spots as possible. Okay, after that, use a new piece of folded tissue paper to blend the surface of the island. Although it's black, we need to blend it such that it gives a very smooth and consistent look to the rest of the drawing. Okay, next up, we have our white. So the white, just very lightly draw a bit of details onto the island so that you can see that it's not flat. Okay, the next step is using a white gel pen. Now, what's the gel pen for? This is to highlight your subject. Notice that the sun is shining onto them, so the light will curve around their bodies a little bit. And this is also a good chance for you to highlight some details of your characters. For example, the cape, the arms, and the outline of the head, the creases of the pants. So give it more defined details. And next, we also outline the sun. So the sun was outlined previously by using pencil, and you might see a little bit of black outline there. So we're going to use the white gel pen to draw over it so that the white is consistent. Okay, then we bring back the pencil. Okay, so we bring back the pencil. And this is just a light touch. We're going to draw two birds flying. Great, we're done. So now carefully tear away the masking tape. Now notice you try to tear outwards. See, to the left outwards. If your paper tears a little, it's fine. I think it actually adds to the aesthetic of it. Now there's no better feeling than tearing away the masking tape when you're done with your work. And this is going to be a perfect gift for all dads in the world. Art by Juno, presenting to you SuperDad, a Father's Day special. Thanks for watching my videos. This channel is designed for everyone and anyone with or without art background. The art is made simple for you, your friends and family to come together and have a good time creating art that you love. If you've enjoyed my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos.